Hey guys, my name is Tyson. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your helmet which has paint damage on it. You need a paint that matches your helmet color, and next you need your clear coat paint which is kind of transparent and protects your paint from getting damaged. You'll need your rubbing polish. First we will remove all the minor scratches, then protect it later with a clear coat. Then you will need a paintbrush or a earbud to fill in those scratches where the paint has worn out. I'm using the cotton pads for rubbing the helmet. You can also use a sponge. To start with, first we will clean our helmet where we are working on with water and a little bit of soap. Now that the helmet is clean, now I'm going to use the rubbing polish which I have. It is from Moto Max. I'm going to rub the area where I have these minor scratch marks. You could use your finger to apply this and rub it gently. Then you can use your sponge or a cotton pad which you have with you for rubbing the area. You may not need to apply as much pressure as you would apply in the other parts where the scratches are deep. This will take care of all these minor scratches, and you can now rub the area with the little soapy water that you have earlier, and voila, that takes care of all those minor scratches. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the entire helmet wherever there is minor scratches. Then we'll come to the last part where we will repair the paint damaged area. Everybody bangs their helmet here and there often, so while passing through the doors, passing through like tight spots where other people are going as well, so you kind of ram your helmet to the door edges or walls, so you will get these kind of dents all over your helmet in no time. You'll try to be very careful in the beginning when you buy a new helmet, but when the time passes you can't avoid these scenarios, so you kind of ram it here and there. So it's okay that we damage our helmet every now and then, but learning how to fix them is also a good trick. Coming to your next part, fixing the paint damages, you can use a palette or some container where you can put your paint. I'm just using this cap because it's a lot easier to spray inside. Then you can use your cotton bud or a paintbrush to give a little touch up in the area where the paint is damaged. So once the touch-up is done, we will let the paint sit there and dry for a while. Now that the paint have dried and since it's kind of protruding outside, I'll use a bit of rubbing polish to even out the excess paint that we have.